Nestled in the lush landscape of São Francisco de Paula, Brazil, the treehouse by Íntegra Studio Arquitetura is an architectural marvel that harmoniously blends with its natural surroundings. Completed in 2022, this 538 feet, 50 meters squared dwelling is part of the NaCarapina accommodation complex and offers a unique living experience amidst the Atlantic forest. The house is strategically perched among the towering Araucaria trees, creating a sensation of floating within the forest canopy. Externally, the house is enveloped in cider eucalyptus wood, treated with a black stain, allowing it to seamlessly merge with the forest environment. This dark exterior contrasts beautifully with the light and airy interior, which features marine plywood linings inspired by minimalist Scandinavian design. The interior's simplicity and the use of limited materials contribute to a serene and cozy atmosphere. The treehouse boasts an open-plan layout, where the kitchen and living room flow together effortlessly. The mezzanine level houses a tranquil bedroom, while a generously sized balcony extends the living space into the forest, offering stunning views and abundant sunlight. This versatile balcony, with its eucalyptus wood bench, is a favored spot year-round, providing warmth in winter and a cool retreat in summer. This architectural gem stands out for its seamless integration with nature, offering guests a tranquil escape that celebrates the beauty and diversity of the surrounding ecosystem.